ISF compliance for chemical imports, essential steps for smooth customs clearance. Welcome back to our customs brokerage series, where we dive deep into the world of international trade and customs-related topics. In today's episode, we will be discussing an essential aspect of importing chemical and hazardous materials, understanding ISF compliance. So, let's jump right in. When it comes to importing chemical and hazardous materials, compliance with the Importer Security Filing, or ISF, is crucial. The ISF is a requirement imposed by U.S. Customs and Border Protection, CBP, to enhance supply chain security. It mandates the provision of specific information by importers about their shipments before they are loaded onto vessels bound for the United States. The ISF is filed electronically and must include 10 specific data elements, such as the manufacturer's or supplier's information, the buyer's information, the country where the goods were packed, and a description of the commodities being imported. It's important to remember that ISF filing must be done accurately and in a timely manner to avoid penalties or delays in the customs clearance process. Now, let's explore some key considerations for ISF compliance when it comes to chemical and hazardous material imports. One critical aspect is identifying the correct harmonized system, HS, code for the goods being imported. The HS code is a standardized international system used to classify and identify various products for customs purposes. It's essential to classify chemical and hazardous materials correctly, as different codes may have specific regulatory requirements or restrictions. Additionally, it's crucial to ensure that the correct hazard class is assigned to the imported goods. The hazard class determines the specific nature of the hazards associated with the materials being imported. It helps customs authorities, along with other regulatory agencies, to identify and handle hazardous shipments appropriately. Alongside the correct classification and identification of the goods, importers must also provide additional information related to safety and security, such as proper packaging information, safety data sheets, and compliance with international regulations like the International Maritime Dangerous Goods (IMDG) Code. This helps ensure the safe handling and transportation of chemical and hazardous materials throughout the supply chain. Finally, I want to highlight the importance of working with experienced customs brokers and freight forwarders who specialize in chemical and hazardous material imports. They have in-depth knowledge of the regulations, documentation requirements, and can assist in navigating the complex compliance landscape. Their expertise and support can significantly contribute to seamless import operations and ensure compliance with the ISF and other applicable regulations. That concludes our discussion on ISF compliance for chemical and hazardous material imports. Remember, accurate ISF filing and adherence to all relevant regulations are crucial for a smooth customs clearance process. Stay tuned for future episodes where we'll continue to explore various aspects of customs brokerage and international trade. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more informative content on customs brokerage and international trade. Until next time.